This question comes from the New York State testing sampler, number 2. It is question number 7. It goes with linear equations and slope. And if you look closely at this question, it's actually talking about nonlinear functions. So I think this is fun. If you have remembered that y equals mx plus b, that is all you need. This is y equals mx plus b would be a linear function. So if something is of the form y equals mx plus b, or you can push it into that form, then it's linear. So let's start with choice A. I can see right now that this could be fit into y equals mx plus b. That means it is linear, so it cannot be nonlinear. Remember, nonlinear just means like a curve. It could be any kind of shape. It could be just not a line. So this could be a nonlinear function. This could be a nonlinear function, anything that is not a line. So I'm going to go and jump down to the bottom one, choice D. So you have y equals mx, 2x, plus 0.5 or plus a half. So this could also be a linear function. My letter C you may get tripped up by because it says x over 2. Remember that is really 1/2 x. It's like 1x over 2, which is the same thing as 1/2 x. So that's like 1/2 x plus 1, which is our same familiar y equals mx plus b. This means our only choice is choice B. Now you might have noticed this right away because of this exponent. Any linear function has an exponent of 1, and this has an exponent of 2.